Alright, so I have my background, which is cardstock. Oh boy, and the cat. And this my sister did Jada's hair on Valentine's, and she did her hair in the shape of a heart. So of course I'm going to title it Love is in the Hair. Alright, so that triangle pattern is Jen Hadfield Cottage Living, called Ombre Waves. I need to wipe my scrapbook table off where I'm at. It's oopsies. Green, okay. Okay, sorry. I must have ran out of ATG tape. So it's really quick to change. And then that aqua floral layer is Fiesta Vibes by Kim Watson, called Love Me. And for this one, I'm using a Creative Scrappers Volume 3. It's page 16. I got the digital books, volumes 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is volume 3. And it's on page 16. Sketch. And the photo mats that I'm using are scraps from past kit. Panton comes to visit briefly. So he decided to jump in the window. I can usually, the way I get him to, and if it's nice out, I will do it. Otherwise, I won't if it's hot out. But I will shut the AC off and open the windows, and then I'll open the window in my scrapbook room, and he'll go lay in the window. It's usually how I can get him to leave me, stay out of my camera view. So these die cuts are from the Crepe Paper Main Squeeze, except I did bring in some of my own, which are those little cute little lambs. And the flares. Those are from the Silhouette store, which my Windows 10 made an update months ago and completely messed up my computer. I can't find my Word 2003 code. I always had it, the disk and everything, in the case, and the disk I don't have with the case, and I don't know where the code is. So I don't know. I wish I could find it, because Microsoft gave me a year free of the 365, and I do not like it. I want my old one back. Hey, Coco. And so, anyway, I still have not gotten all my die cuts put back in my Silhouette, because of course I lost all that. I updated my computer and it didn't take. It says it backed up, but it didn't. And I ended up having to wipe my hard drive and lost everything. So, nice, huh? So I'm going to put down my die cuts. And while I'm doing that, if you want, I'm just asking for help, for people to help me out. And which I don't like to do, but I'm going to because YouTube changed their monetization rules because I guess people were taking advantage, so they're changing it. So now I get caught in the crossfire because I only have 500 subscribers, and they changed it to where you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views, I guess I think is how it was. So I don't qualify because of that. So I'm just asking if you could help me out so I can be monetized again. I would appreciate it. I don't make money that much from it, $100 a year, but that helps that goes back into my accounts because I spend a lot I'm a school teacher, and of course, as I'm sure some of you know, school teachers, we spend our own money. Our own money goes into the classrooms. I need clothes, but my money goes to my classroom. I've spent $2,000 of my own money, and I'm not done yet. The year ain't over. And what was I going to say? Oh, and our we're only allowed $250 deduction on our taxes. So as far as teachers go, so the monetization um, helped me get back from what I put in my classroom. It was just not that I'm getting rich off of it by any means, but if you could, I'm just asking for a little support and help from anybody who would like to on YouTube. But anyway, back to my layout. Enough crying. But at least the resources that I had to purchase can be used next year because I am going to be in first grade again. So next year I already have most of the resources for my standards, so I can. Oh, whoa! You scared me. So I will have those for next year. How you feel? Feel better? I was going to come check on you to see if you were alive because I was worried about you. You slept a lot. Yeah. You don't feel sick no more? See, your body just needed to rest. All right, let me finish this video. All right, so my title is Love is Hip Kit Club Alpha Stickers. Is and in is Hip Kit Club Alpha Stickers. The is Pink Fresh Studio. Dream On.
I stayed up all yesterday and stayed up until daytime here.
No, you didn't. You've been asleep. You've been asleep, buddy. Hair is American Crafts Celebrate Thickers. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. All right, and when I get my title done, that pretty much completes the layout. So thanks, guys. Bye.